In this video, I'm going to show you how to do predecessor and successor relationships using the task number. This is something that Microsoft Project users will find familiar. You'll note that we have the task number here on the left and then the pred by number column. So in order to do this, you simply create another task, have a review meeting afterwards. And if I want that to happen after task number 5, I can simply type in number 5 here and the relationship has been built. You can check this on the Gantt chart. You can see that review meeting is going to happen after that as well. To show you again, you can edit, let's say I want to have 2. I want this to happen after number 5 and number 3. You just put a comma in there, but I want this relationship to be a start to start. You can type in SS like that. So the default is finish to start, but the other types are SS, FS, just the initials of these types of relationships. You can check there, finish to start to start here. It's that simple. Now, by default, these columns don't show up on the task list, but you can go get them by clicking the display options and choose the number column and pred by number column from the available column list and hit refresh and they will appear.